Oh, back like I never left. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now, today we are talking about a water filter from Dreo. This is the Dreo Row water filter. This is the 112 version. We're gonna break down what this has to offer in this video, so let's get right to it. So let's talk about the design here. As you see, it's a really sleek design. I had to go to my parents' house. It looked better there, as you guys see, compared to, let's look at my kitchen. That's what it looked like in my kitchen. Now look at my parents' kitchen. So I went to my parents' house just for the B-roll this video, and it just looks really nice in their setup. It is really slim. They had other products like, coffee makers and other stuff that it was able to slide next to and, really blend in seamlessly. So I do like the design and the look of it, and, the more slim, compact look of it as well. I don't like the big old bulky taking up room like different purifiers out there. So you're going to get more of a slim look, but it's still going to take up some counter space, period. This is just how it is. These appliances, like anything we all use, all these different appliances, it's going to take up a little bit more counter space. But if you are a water person that drinks water all the time, it's going to be a space that's, worth taking up. You have a handle on the water tank in the back, so you can just take that off and go fill it up wherever you have it placed. You don't have to keep moving the device. I do like that as well. All right, let's get to the Row purification system here. Now it's a 7-in-1 system. I have it on the screen somewhere because I don't know it by heart like that. I'm not this water expert, but you do have a system here, and it's going to break down 99.99% bacterias and contaminants in your water. Now, when we're using faucet water, we don't know what's in there. We don't know what's getting pumped anywhere or anything that's in that thing. So having something to purify that and break everything down and get a lot of those bacteria, contaminated solids out of your water is going to be big to purify your water and, just for better health in general. Now, on the screen as well, they show you like a TDS, which is like total dissolved solids. I think it is. I have it right here on ChatGPT. I ain't gonna act like I don't know this stuff. So it's a total dissolved solids. What's it gonna break down like minerals, calciums, and metals, iron, copper, anything of that. So like small little things that you never think will be in your faucet water or anything. This will catch it and break it down for you, and just it'll just let the clean water pass through like it should be. So that's really good. So that TDS lets you know that on the screen as well. So when it comes to the water and the taste, you're going to get nice, clean, purified water. It honestly just tastes like whatever brand you buy of purified water. Just nice, clean water taste. And that's what you're going to get. No tap taste at all. For me, my dad, I even tested my wife. My wife has been here. She hasn't tested it because I get a lot of products. She doesn't worry about it. She lets me do my thing. But this time I pulled the pitcher out of the fridge, poured her a glass. She thought I just poured purified water in the pitcher to mess with her. And then she tested and she really thought it was just purified water. I went along with her for a little bit. Then I finally was like, it is tap water that was purified. And she was shocked. She was like, it's really good. Like, she had that look on her face like, I'm going to use this and pour my tumblers with this stuff. So yeah, really good. 2 thumbs up on the taste. You just get a nice purified water taste. You don't have to worry about, oh, there's a little bit of tap taste to it. Nah, it does its job. Now, there's many different use cases. It's not just for drinking water, because we're being honest, I'm still going to drink bottled water because I like minerals in my water. So there's certain brands I like to drink. But with this, I will be using all the time now while I cook. I'm going to use, instead of just using the tap water, I will put it, in my water tank, and let the water purify and just pour it. Now, one great thing is it auto refills as well. So right when you put the pitcher back on there, it's going to start filling up that pitcher with, a nice clean water, so it can keep up what you're cooking. So if you always need to add cups or whatever you do, if you mess up, you're going to have that purified water just, already in that pitcher. So that's really good. But I will be using it when I'm cooking, and I also will be using it with Gojo, my dog. He runs through water. He's an English bulldog. He runs through water. So I just, gonna just pour it up, just let him get it out of the pitcher from now on as well. So that's what I'll be doing. So there's so many different use cases. If you want to use it for your plants, any of that stuff as well around the house. It's not all just, oh, I don't need it because I'm not drinking water. There's other use cases as well. If you cook, this is something you might want to check out too. So there is built-in self-cleaning, so it will clean itself and take care of itself pretty much. But they give you paperwork and let you know at what point you need to do something. But there is built-in self-cleaning. But just check the paperwork. They got QR codes all over this thing when you open it, and there's paperwork all over to let you know how to really take care of it. But from the most part, it's going to take care of itself for a while. All right, so it does autofill. You put it on, it fills it up real nice. I will say you're going to get, like, off of one pitcher, you can get like 2.5 cups. So, and then it'll fill that pitcher up one more time before you have to fill up the tank. You get another 2.5 cups. So you're getting 6 cups total off of a whole water tank behind the, behind the filter, the water tank that you got to put the tap water back in. You're going to only get 6 cups off of one. So if you feel like you're going to need more than that, if you're a family or if you're just someone that loves to chug water, you definitely want to go to the 113, the upgraded version, which gives you 5 liters of water. That one's $200. This one's $170. So for $30 more, you're going to get 2 more liters of water, because this one is 3 liters and the upgraded version is 5 liters. All right, so there you have it. That's the Dreo Roll water filter. That's the 112 version. If you want those 30 more bucks and get the bigger version, the 113, you have that one as well. But the 112 version is fine. I like the size. I like how slim it is. It's like the size of one, like, you need probably like 2 of these to make the size of a freaking air fryer. And I know there's water filters out there that are already big like an air fryer. You don't want that much counter space taken up. So you can go with the slimmer version and save way more counter space. But I do like the idea of having this. I'm definitely gonna be using it for my cooking from now on. That's no brainer. And 1000% for my dog, because Gojo is like my little baby. That's like my little baby boy. So I'm going to make sure I get them that nice clean water using this. It will definitely be used, cooking. I cook a lot here. So, and I have the dog, and Gojo runs the water. So this thing will get great use. So if it's something you definitely want to check out, I think it's worth it, especially if you love water, or if you're just going to use it like how I'm about to use it, just to have cleaner water in your food, just period. This is definitely something, I say 2 thumbs up. I like it. Put the link down in the description below so you guys can check that out. I put the link for both of them, so you don't have to look for it. I put the one we talked about top, the other one at the bottom. You guys can use those links. It gives me a little bit of commission for sending you over there. It makes Amazon have to pay me since I did all the work for the video. And then what else? That's basically it. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. I really appreciate anyone that's watching it. If you got this far, I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and you might as well subscribe. I have some more coming out soon. Like, or click one of my other videos and all that other good stuff. See you guys in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace. Shaka, brah.